English green salad with avocado, bacon and eggs. And the hero of the dish, which makes it so delicious, is that blue cheese dressing. Cut into quarters. Take our avocados and just sit them on top. A little olive oil, a generous amount of your blue cheese dressing. The blue cheese dressing, deliciously simple to make. Salad cream or a thin mayonnaise with just all the trim from the blue cheese. Pop the eggs inside. It's the simplest of salads, not trying to be clever. A little bit of salt, a little bit of bacon, a little bit of watercress, a tiny bit more olive oil. And there we have it, an English green salad with eggs, bacon and avocado with a blue cheese dressing, made with Stilton 1912, and that's what brings it all together. A starter or a light main course in less than 5